What is the secret to fulfillment and success? It's one thing, just one thing that makes everything flow beautifully, or it could be a disaster. What is it that creates the ideal life for you and me and everybody else? I'm about to tell you, so stay with me. So what is your superpower that we exercise each and every day consciously and subconsciously? I'll tell you right now, it's your free will. Now let's think about this just for a minute. Every single day, you and I and everybody else on the planet exercises their free will. Some of it is for the benefit of others in society, to fulfill dreams and to help people as well as yourself grow, expand into the image, likeness of God, and to fulfill dreams. Now, not everybody does that. Some people do it to destroy, maim, and manipulate. It's sad but true. Now, but what is the secret to the free will? Let's take a look. Now, everybody has a free will, which controls our choices that we make in life and in our acting career, in our families, and in society as a whole. Now, some people are going to make bad choices. Some people are going to make good choices. Your superpower will affect you physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially. But let's go back to what is good and what is bad. Bad choices, good choices. How do people assess that? It's based upon subjectivity. What do you believe? Now, in an acting, within the confines of a character and their script, there's going to be BS, or belief system. They're going to believe one thing and maybe change their beliefs during the course of the film. It's up to you as an actor or actress to decipher and figure out why they changed their belief system. They have a superpower because characters are written by people with the same superpower, which is free will. Now, in a script, it's easy because, well, it's scripted. In life, we don't have a script, do we? No. So you may ask, David, what exactly does this have to do with using your superpower, free will, to manipulate emotion and therefore express the truth of the character in a scene? Good question. I'm glad you asked. Whenever we make a belief choice, whenever we update our FBS, faulty belief system, to BS, belief system, it ignites an emotion. It ignites feelings, emotion, or energy in motion that propels us forward or pulls us back. Kind of like the Chekhov technique, if you know anything about that. And if you don't, write to me. I can help you. The exercise of your free will allows you to make emotional choices based upon physical movement, because acting is all about physical movement, just like I'm doing right now. You cannot express your belief system without movement, without emotion, energy and motion. So if you really want to get to the core of the character, start relating to them. How are they feeling and why? If you relate to them on an emotional level based upon their belief system, it's very likely you're going to win the audition. So let us go over this one more time. Your superpower is your free will. Your free will has the power to change anything in your life, anything in your acting career. I'm talking to you. As well as characters. Characters are based upon emotion, energy, and motion. Every single time you consciously change a belief, it's your free will to do so. That's what God gave us. That is our superpower. It's going to change the way we move physically based upon our energy, based upon our emotions. When we consciously do that, in a script, memorization comes easier. Why is that? Have you ever saw so many lines and you wondered, how am I going to memorize all these lines? It can produce a lot of anxiety. But if you focus on the why, you focus on the why of the character, the how is much easier. And the how is the strategy or the emotion that propels the character forward or pulls them back or keeps them in between repel and compel. The Chekhov technique. And so, if you figure out the why, the BS, the reason why people do things, their FBS, faulty belief system, or beliefs that no longer work, and then they evolve and they believe something new, they're going to be compelled or repelled, or somewhere in between, of figuring out how to get their goal. This is the essence of acting. you're relating to that character. So don't even worry, don't even be concerned about memorizing lines initially out the gate. Because if you figure out the why, you'll be able to figure out how to do it. And like life, if you need a coach, I may be the one for you. DavidThompsonCoaching.co, DavidThompsonCoaching.co. Write to me. 45-minute free coaching consultation. Like, subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. And remember, your superpower is your free will.